A question I get asked a lot by parents is, how do I know what apps my kids are using? Well, one area that we are quite proud of is we can tell you in a couple of ways. We can show what apps have been installed for the last day and also what apps have been removed for the last day, so you get an idea of what apps your kids are interested in. But even further, we also allow parents to approve newly installed apps. So the app discovery process becomes a conversation. So when you get prompted to actually approve an app, you don't need to approve it right away until you learn more about it. And this is an important piece, as many apps kids are installing, parents are not aware what they are. So this limits things like social media apps being installed without your consent, games that may be inappropriate in nature such as violence, and other apps that could be inappropriate based on their content. So app approval, app discovery, a very important subject, and one that we love to help parents start a conversation about.